Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today we're going to cook some steaks on the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill. The steaks and asparagus look really good. I've got my smartphone connected to it. I'm going to show you how all of this works. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Ninja Woodfire Pro XL outdoor grill. Okay, so first we're going to kind of talk about it. We're going to connect it to our smartphone. Then we're going to go outside and cook some steaks with it with the temperature probe. So I've got my iPhone here. I've downloaded the Ninja app. I've got some Woodfire pellets here. So this thing is nice. It is nice and big. It's got a nice big cooking surface. We got a grill grate. We also had an air fryer basket. We're not going to be using that today. There's what the inside of it looks like. Now there is a heating element up there and a fan. Now down here, this is where the temperature probe is stored. And we can plug 1 or 2 temperature probes in. They got a little number there, 1 or 2. Over on the right side, we do have a scoop for our Woodfire pellets, and here's where the pellets are going to go. It's going to ignite them, and then we're going to be smoking with them. I'm going to use some all-purpose blend tonight. You can also use the robust blend. Now, round back, here's what it looks like. It does have a cord. The cord's not super long. It is 1,760 watts, and this is an outdoor grill. Now, I do like the grill grate. This has got like a non-stick coating on it. We can put this in the dishwasher, and there's what the bottom of it looks like. It does have a heating element and like a micro switch that has to be pushed down. And all the grease will flow to the back here. Around back there is a grease trap, and you can get these disposable pan liners, but you don't have to use those. So first, let's download the Ninja Pro Connect app. Now I did have to log into it. I already had an account with Ninja. If you have an existing account, log into it. And then there will be a button to grant it Bluetooth access. Okay, so we got a power button here. We can turn the grill on. Okay, so it says we're going to press and hold onto this step right here where it says next. Press and hold this for 3 to 5 seconds, the big dial button. Okay, it beeped. I see a little Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi right down there. Those are flashing. Now I'm going to hit next. Okay, so it found it right away. I'm going to select it, hit continue. It wants me to give it a name. I gave it a name. Now it says start pairing with Wi-Fi. So on this screen here, I picked the Wi-Fi that's in my house, and then I gave it the password for my Wi-Fi. So now this should connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, go to the dashboard. Okay, so it looks like with the app, I've got control over almost all of the functions that I have on here. I can even start it. And once I start it, it says confirm. And then the screen does kind of change to a different color. Okay, so it actually started the unit and the screen now. So I'll be showing you this later when I'm actually cooking. Okay, so let's go over the screen a little bit. Now, in real life, it's nice and solid. It's just kind of doing that in the video. So I've got a mode button. I can do grill, smoker, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. I can change the temperature, high, medium, or low. Now, if I want to add the smoker, if I want the Woodfire pellets to fire up, I'm going to make sure this is lit. That means it'll ignite them. Then when I put my temperature probe in, I can select temperature probe. Then you're going to see it's got temperature probe 1, 2, and if you got 2, you can have both of them going at the same time. Now I'm going to select that I want beef, and now I can rotate it across. I can have rare, medium. That's the temperature probe is going to try to get it to a medium rare, a medium well done, or well done. I got up to 9. And then we can have a start stop button right here. I can start it and stop it. Okay, let's go outside and cook some steaks. Okay, so we're outside. I've got the temperature probe right down the middle of the steak, right in the center. I've got it plugged into port 1. I've got it on. And again, I'm going to turn this. Make sure the mode is in grill. Woodfire is on. Wait a minute, I went past grill. Let's go grill. Woodfire is on. Make sure that light is on. I want it on high. Now, since I'm doing the temperature probe, press the button. Now you got to make sure and press that button when you got it on high. Sometimes it doesn't want to go through. You got to make sure and press that button. So now I've got it on temperature probe 1, and I got to press the button again. And now I got to pick beef, press it. Now it'll go, now I'm on beef, and where do I want it? Do I want it medium rare? I want it medium well, number 7. Now I've got 1 scoopful. I'm going to put before I start it, I'm going to put my Woodfire pellets in right there. Okay, you can see the pellets are filled right up to there. That's closed. Now it does have to preheat. I'm not going to put the steak in yet. I'm going to hit the start button. It's going to have ignition, and then it's going to beep again and tell me when to add the food. So we're going to time that. There's a status bar letting us know how much time we've got. So now I did hear a fan kick on. And we're going to be cooking some asparagus with the steak. This is one of the menus that comes with, this is one of the little, comes with it. Now I could have done everything from the smartphone. I did everything from the control panel. And now the screen looks like this. So it even gives me more of an indication of what's going on. I don't know why it's showing the second temperature probe. I thought I only had one selected, but it's showing two. So about 1:30, we were 12%. Okay, we're about the 4-minute mark. We've got quite a bit of smoke. It smells really good. It's still preheating though. Round back here's where the smoke's coming out. Okay, it's been about 11 minutes. We're almost ready. What's interesting is the temperature probe's actually working. It's saying the beef is 55 degrees and it's sitting there. Okay, I think it's getting ready because the app says 100%. We're at the 16-minute mark. I imagine this is going to tell me to add the food. Okay, so it did beep at me. It says add food. Big add food here. All right, let's open it up. I'm excited. All right, wow. Okay, so we want to get the steaks. All right, I got the one with the temp probe on. We're going to put this one on now. Now it does say to smash them down. It says smash them down to get the grill marks. Now we're gonna flip them halfway through. All right, now we're gonna close the lid and just be careful. You don't try to pinch that. That just rests. It can rest kind of anywhere around there. And now we're cooking. I'm excited. Okay, so the screens tell me what the current temperature is and what the target temperature is. Now I must have hit the second one by accident, so I don't have a second temperature probe. But again, this is what the current temperature of the steak inside there is, and there's what it's trying to get to. And I got that over here too. And if I click this little arrow, it's trying to get it to 170. I wonder if I can change that. Okay, so I like that it shows it there, and it shows it really big on the app. That's the current temperature inside the steak right now. We're at the 20-minute mark. There's the Woodfire pellets. Let's just kind of open it up, see how it's doing. Ooh, looks good. Okay, so it did beep at me to tell me to flip the food. So we're gonna flip the steaks. Be careful of the temperature probe. Got some good grill marks on there. Miss Fiona thinks she's gonna get some later. And I'm simply gonna close it. It's gonna pick up where it left off. Okay, so we're getting really close to being done. 30 minutes. Steaks are looking really good. I've already got the asparagus on there. Okay, so it tells me to get the food. We're at 30 minutes. The display beeped at me and says get food. Here's what this looks like. Okay, so once I opened it up, it does tell me that it's time to rest. So you're gonna leave the temperature probe in, put it on a plate, and we're gonna let it rest. Leave the temperature probe in. Rest. I did get a notification. We've reached the set resting temperature. Check it out. So I didn't get it off there super fast. I should have got it off there as soon as it done. I waited probably about a minute. I was kind of messing with some stuff. I should have got it off there as soon as it said done, and it would have rested because it didn't rest very long. But now I am gonna leave the asparagus on here. Yeah, that's gonna taste really, really good. Okay, so the moment of truth, I cut it open. That's exactly how I like it. There is a little bit of pink, but it's mostly well done. That is very impressive how this did. I love how the screen changes to done. 30 minutes, I'm still got this is cooking. That's gonna taste awesome. But it actually cooked the steak really, really good. So I got some exciting videos coming about this. I'm gonna make several different things in this. This thing is kind of big. I'm gonna be comparing it to the oven over here. Miss Fiona's gonna help me later on. Very, very impressed with the app. The app just works. You know, the Woodfire pellets, there's a little bit left to go. Sometimes it looks like they're pretty much done. I would have liked to seen those do a little bit better job. Underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that really does help out my YouTube channel. If there's something you would like to see this compared to, or if you'd like to see me fix a certain meal on this, let me know. Put it in the show description notes, or put it in the comment section down below. Sorry about that. I will put a link to it in the show description notes. I am a Ninja and an Amazon affiliate, but I bought this product with my own money. It doesn't come with the stand. The stand is a little tricky to put together. I do like the stand, but they do make some other ones, you know, that you can set these things on. But I was not paid for this video, so I just really appreciate everybody's support. This was a lot of fun. I got to taste the steak. I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. Let's taste it. Okay, let's taste it. Yeah, well, that's juicy. Oh, it's delicious. So again, I just really appreciate everybody's help. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe.